part two. Part one was a fail.
Okay.
Okay.
Ready?
Okay. 1, 2,
2,
3.
Are you just gonna hold it in there or what? It's all over your nose. Swallow. Why are you guys holding it in your mouth? That's not a normal video. Is the cinnamon challenge how long you can hold it in your mouth?
It's coming out of
Are you supposed to swallow it?
You can't just swallow
It burns.
Still?
hot.
Hi, Troy. Ew, gross. A smile for the camera. It's disgusting.
Okay, done yet?
Can I do it?
No.
What do you
have it. I have it.
have? What? What are you having? I don't understand.
You're down.
Oh.
Oh, got it.
Ew, gross.
Ew, turn it off.
Okay, can I?